how do we know if this ulna is right or left? Well, when you get to your station, again, we want to figure it out on ourselves. So this part with the olecranon process, the trochlear notch, and the coronoid process, that end should be facing proximally. That end should be facing towards you. And all of this needs to be facing up so that it can accommodate the humerus. The little styloid process here at the end needs to be pointing towards your pinky. So let's try to make this little styloid process point towards the pinky first. So here's my styloid process. I'm trying to make it point towards my pinky. And when I make it point towards my pinky, look what happens to the trochlear notch. It's pointing in. It's pointing like posterior into my skin. Well, that's not going to work. My elbow doesn't bend backwards. My elbow has to bend forwards. So this has to come to the other side. So here now, if I put it on this side, so here's my little styloid process. I'm going to make that point towards the pinky. When I make it point towards the pinky, that trochlear notch is now pointing up. So that is how it's supposed to be, so that the humerus, the trochlea of the humerus, can sit inside there. And my radial notch right here. So this part right here, the radial notch, is pointing laterally towards the thumb side because the radius is going to sit right here. So you want that radial notch, that right there, to be pointing laterally. You want that trochlear notch to be pointing anterior. And you want that little styloid process here at the end to be pointing towards your pinky.